Today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 side hustles you can start now, passive income you can get in today to start cashing out, and of course, survey sites. I love this video because it is a mix of everything you need to know. If you want to work from home, if your plan is to retire early or leave your 9-to-5 job, or just to have extra income for you to invest, for you to go for that trip, it is possible. All you need is the willingness to take action. The information which I'm bringing to you today, I know that I am looking at people that are ready to change their finances. So I'm excited about this because we're not only going to be talking about side hustle, we're going to be talking about passive income, we're going to be talking about survey sites. So it's a blend, as a sprinkle of all the things you can do to change your life. So if you're not already, I'm going to be inviting you, click on the like button, because these videos, they are solution driven, information packed. You will take action after watching this video. You know, one thing about me is that I don't make videos that you're like, how do I get started? No, I show you the ropes to a step-on-step guide on how to get started. And of course, click on the subscribe button. That way you will not miss any of the future uploads we'll be making on this channel. I talk about money making, investment, personal finance, and I'm excited to have you join. So yeah, let's get started. Now, the first side income that I have tried, my friends have tried, is using the freelancing to start. Now, this freelancing app is the freelancer.com. I have made a detailed video on that, which I'm going to leave at the end of this video. Now, do not tell me that you do not have a skill. You do have a skill, and people are willing to pay for that. If you sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, the freelancer.com, you can actually start getting your gigs: data entry, transcription, design, virtual assistant, content moderation. You can also be there searching information online. Now, all you need to do is to set up a profile, and then the next thing is you set up your headline. What do you want to offer? Do you want to be an email writer, a content analyst, research writing? If you have information on research writing, if you've done your master's, your bachelor's, you've written research, oh my goodness, you have a lot of skills already. People will pay you to do academic research, ghostwriting, Canva design. The list is endless. Opportunities are limitless. All you need to do is to start already. The good thing about this is that once you're able to deliver excellent results, even before the time they expect it, these clients will stick with you. It means you are building skills that lead to business, to the point that you will have so much that you don't have to leave your house to make the money. A lot of people stay at home. Maybe your neighbor is even doing copywriting, content writing, content strategy. You are just in your house, but you're making the money. The internet is a gold mine. So please do not sleep on it. Take action. In fact, I'm going to be inviting you to leave in the comment section what is one skill you can do. Leave that in the comment section, and I'm going to give you a strategy on how to get started. Leave that in the comment section, because I'm going to be rooting for you, and this is you telling me that, hey, I'm ready to take this action. The second side hustle that I have done, I love so much. It is a very passive way of even making money, is selling your expertise, your skills, your knowledge on digital sites. So selling digital product. Now, this digital product can be a journal, which is very low content, which you can do for free on Canva. You can do Bible journaling. You can do how to study the Bible. You can, if you know how to swim, you can teach people how to swim. If you know how to cook, make a cookbook. If you don't even know how to get started, ask ChatGPT, hey, this is what I want to do. I want to teach Nigerians how to make bakov or fried rice or something like that. Do a cookbook for me. I need to show you, and all you need to do is to add your unique flavor and recipe to it. If it is budgeting, finance, healthy living, parenting, homeschooling, the list is endless. When you make a digital product, you can upload it now. A lot of people say upload on Amazon, but if you're a beginner and you want to keep the money and cash out, use sites like the Gumroad, use sites like the Beacons. I also use that. And these are free. They are actually going to send your product out. If you're in Nigeria, I know that you can also use Selar. Like, the list is endless. All you need to do is put your expertise into a digital format, PDF. So you actually don't need to publish books, and people will download and pay you. The thing is that you do it one time, but then the money keeps coming in. Now, going to the next section, we're going to be talking about passive income ideas. The first passive income idea is for you to print on demand. The beautiful thing about printing on demand is that you don't need to hold any physical product. If you have the creation in your head, your creative, your imagination, for instance, if you love God, you can say, love God, you put the Bible verse, or you can say, holy sister, or good parents, or I'm successful. You know, the affirmation, the list is endless. Just run wild with your imagination. And that's if you sign up on Redbubble, Teespring, Printify. All you need to do is to use the Canva. On Canva, which is actually free, you can put your design, upload it on those Printify, the Teespring, the Redbubble, and when people order for it, they're actually going to send. You don't need to touch the products. All you need to do is to put the design. They will make the mug, the t-shirt, the bag, and everything that you have said, maybe a hat and all that. They will make the design, send it to the customer, and you get your money sitting at home. Oh my goodness, life is good. Life is beautiful. You need to take action. So start now. The other passive way of making money is starting a YouTube channel. Now, I know a lot of you like to show my face, but you actually do not need to show your face. I know that there is this prayer YouTube channel I follow. I don't know the person, but what he does is morning prayer, prayer for blessing, Bible study, and all that. If you're watching me, it means you already have a YouTube channel. All you need to do is to put your name and then create content. It could be you taking videos from nature or nice music in the background at work and listen to music for 10 hours, just relaxing music. These are faceless channels, but they are earning a lot of money. So do not sleep on it. The ideas are there. Just tap now. Those faceless channels, oh my goodness, they are cashing out here on YouTube. And the beautiful thing is that you create it once and these videos will continue to be seen now and in the future, bringing money while you sleep. When I say life is beautiful, I mean it. Now, the third way you can actually make money online is to sell your photos. I know that you actually did not think about it. Did you know that the pictures in your phone can actually bring money to you? Yeah, I mean it. Come closer. So if you're a Muslim, you wear hijab. A lot of people are afraid of using other people's images, of course, because you're going to get copyright, and that is where you come in. You sell your pictures. People will use those on their site, on their blog, on their post, and that is it. You are going to be earning royalties just by putting your picture. So you sign up using Etsy, Shutterstock, or you can even combine all of them. One picture can be found on those 3 sites, and that is your face. You have the copyright to it, and you'll be earning money while you sleep. One thing you need to do is you have beautiful pictures of animals, of your pets, of yourself, or some places you live. People will pay you to get those pictures. All you need to do is to upload it, and you will get royalty fee from those. This brings us to the third way of earning money, which is the review site or the testing site and the survey. Now, these are not just like mediocre things. They pay a lot, and you actually don't need to have a schedule, tight schedule. It is flexible from the comfort of your home when you need to do it. The first one I love so much is the usertesting.com. On that, you can actually review blog posts, websites, apps for their functionality to see if they are user friendly, and they will pay you using the PayPal. Now, the other thing you can do relating to the survey, if you're in Nigeria, you can use the Toluna influencers or the survey time. If you are in the healthcare field, the other one I have used is the M3 Global Research. They pay you a lot, so do not sleep on that. If you're in the tech, you're in the business, healthcare, respondent.io. That site, they pay you a lot for sharing your expertise, your knowledge, your experience. So do not sleep on that. And if you just want to earn extra casual cash for perhaps your dinner and all that, or for holiday, you can use the swag books survey site. That one you can earn from watching videos, ads, watching posts or reading posts on social media. One thing I need to say is that this swag box, it's not like life-changing money. It's not like the Responder, the M3, but then it is a small change. When put together, it can accumulate a lot. I'm going to leave all the links to these survey sites in my description. So here you have it. These are the ways you can start making money online if you're thinking of the side hustle or passively once and for all, or using survey site. Leave in the comment section. Do not leave one, leave at least 10. I'm going to be giving you a shout out in the next video. So leave your comment, ask some questions, or tell me which one you're going to try. Which of the survey sites are you going to try? Which of the side gig are you going to try? Have you tried any of them? Please tell us your experience, and feel free to give your suggestions on the next video you want me to make. And on this channel, we talk about personal finance, making money, investing, and everything beautiful about changing our finances. So I'm going to be invited to please subscribe and please click on the like button. Do not go away without clicking on the like button. You're going to be helping other people to find this video. Thank you so much for doing that. And this video about survey sites, and I'm also going to leave the playlist for you to check other videos of money making. I know you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.